So now I explain 8.24, 8.25, 8.26. So 8.24, explain the principle of paper chromatography. Paper chromatography is the simple chromatography. So in the paper chromatography, stationary phase is water. So which is impressed in cellulose. So the stationary phase is water and mobile phase is which is identified. So the mixture of the components to be identified. So which you will discover the components. So that is the mobile phase. Stationary phase is the water which is dispersed in the cellulose. The paper is impregnated with the water and the cellulose. So stationary phase is water, mobile phase is identified. So identified the mixture of components. So 8.25, why nitric acid is added? Why nitric acid is added to sodium extract before adding silver nitrate for testing of halogen? Because HNO3 is added to sodium extract because it is the alkaline nature. It is the alkaline nature. To neutralize, acid is added. So again, HNO3 is added to sodium extract because sodium fusion is alkaline nature. So these are alkaline, it means basic nature. So to neutralize, acid is added. So so they can will be they decompose. So and salt and so salt is formed. So to neutralize for alkaline, acid is added. Next one, 8.26. Explain the reason for the fusion of an organic compound with metallic sodium for testing nitrogen, sulfur and halogen. So the reason is OC. OC means organic compound, fusion with sodium, then it converts, nitrogen converts into sodium cyanide, sulfur convert into Na2S and halogen converted into NaX and phosphorus converted into Na3P4. These all compounds are ionic. So these are ionic, which is more reactive. So to identify in testing. So all organic compounds by adding sodium, these are converted into ionic compounds which are more reactive. So that's why sodium fusion. So the reason for fusion of with metallic sodium for testing nitrogen and sulfur X, it converted into ionic compound for more reactive. Thank you.